Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, if you're someone who has a PDF and you'd like to work on it or add more to it, you're now able to upload your PDF here in Canva, and I'm going to show you how. But before we get to it guys, if you find value in today's video, go ahead and leave a like so I can know that you do. All right, let's head into it. So here I'm on the home page. So this is what you see when you open up Canva. So to get to that section where you can upload your PDF, you're going to go to create a design, and then down at the bottom here you have this section that says import PDF. Now it's in its beta state, so let me know if you're able to access it on your Canva profile or your Canva homepage. All right, I have the pro version of Canva, just putting that out there. So I don't know if it's available to those of you on the free version or not. You can let me know if you're using the free version of Canva. All right, so I'm going to select import PDF, and then here I'm just going to select my journal and open it up. So as you can see here guys, it's definitely loading it right here. So I'm just going to wait for it to finish loading, and then I open it up and we can see what's going on. All right, so it looks like it's done. Why am I seeing these as the 4 boxes? But anywho, let me open it up and see what's going on here. Great, so this is definitely my journal, and yeah, see I have this file import feedback here. It's asking me some questions, but okay, let me just remove that for now. So definitely this is my journal guys that I just uploaded in a PDF format. I think this is really excellent, and I think it will definitely help, you know, those of us who have our PDFs that want to work on and so on. I really love this move by Canva. All right, so here obviously I can go ahead, change my color, just testing that right now. Let me choose this color here. All right, yeah, definitely, so it's working well. I'm just going to say that from here, because if I'm able to change my color, obviously I can go through and change some other things. Let me see though, I said that, but let's see what's going on. I want to see if I'd be able to change these lines. Yeah, I can take out a line if I want. Let me select delete. That's working. So that's pretty awesome. I love this. So that's it for today guys. Feel free to ask any questions you may have down below, as well as suggest, you know, any video you'd like to see. Suggest it, and if it's a video that I can make, then I'll just go ahead and make it. Until my next video guys, I'll talk to you then. Goodbye, take care now.